Huwag niyo na ako isama dyan sa mudslinging competition ninyo. Hayaan ko na kayong manalo. Pero someday, you're going to us. And you're gonna ask for our vote. The people of Manila will vote for those who fit in the office, who seem, or the way we look at it. But for the meantime, sabi ko paulit-ulit, hindi madali itong second term na to. Nalulungkot lang ako sa mga ibang politiko pagpalundagin who doesn't know and decide and choose hard decision. And in leadership, sometimes you have to bite the bullet. Maasim man ang suka, kailangan mong inumin. And leaders should be in front, not behind. Leaders, the root word is lead. Lead, normally, ang pinakamadali na ibig sabihin nun, ikaw ang nasa unahan. Hindi ka nagtatago sa takot mong ma-re-elect o sa takot mong ma-elect. Because decisions should be made. Decisions must be done. And hard decisions, ang pinakamadali sa pagiging leader ay yung Miss Congeniality, pang Miss Universe. Wala kang gawin, wala kang kaaway, pero wala ring serbisyo. At nakita niyo yan. Nakita niyo yan. If you are a passive leader, no work will be done. And I'm happy. Kaya nga't masaya ako pag nakikita ko kayo pagka-Lunes, sapagkat pasan kuman ng daigdig, gumagaang dala ng dahil sa inyo na mga kasamahan kong naglilingkod sa bayan. The city of 2 million people, nighttime, in the city of 3 million people daytime. It's a challenging city. An old city. Diyan minsan na-detest ang leadership ng mga halal ng bayan. Kaya sometimes you really have to make a decision. And this decision, in the long term, if I may borrow City Administrator's statement, in the long term, the people of Manila will benefit from it. Sa umpisa, masakit sa kiligili. Masakit sa kasukasuhan ang paglalakbay. Ngunit, kung hindi mo titiisin ang sakit, hirap at pighati, hindi ka makararating sa gusto mong paroonan. Kaya sa inyo, mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, paulit-ulit, para akong sirang plaka, pero every Monday, papaalala ko to. I cannot do it alone. Serving the people efficiently, serving the people today, doing service today, and serving the people for tomorrow and their children, ay nakaatang sa balikat nating lahat. While I am the mayor, but the mayor cannot just resolve alone all the problems. I need each and every one of you to do public service. So help me to be a better city of Manila na tinitingala kayo mismo. In fact, kahit sa kapitbahay ninyo, saan ka nagtatrabaho? Sa City Hall. Wow! Kayo'y tinitingala sapagkat sabi nga, many are called, but few are chosen. You were the chosen one.